What's going on, folks? Alright, moving picker back again. Gonna knock out another challenge lock tonight. For those of you who don't know, I do all my picking videos all in one night, so yes. Still got a little bit of drink going on and picking, so yeah. We'll see what we can do with this. Discord will be linked in the description below. I do not know if I have not uploaded my other video yet, so I don't know if I can do the little card up in the corner with the whose lock I'm picking, but still gonna give it a try on this video too. If not, sorry for your luck. You're just gonna have to check in the description for channel links. But this one is, well, after we get the Discord thing out of the way, check us out. Discord link is in the description below. Great community there. A lot of great people. Growing little by little every day. So hopefully we can make a nice community and make a place where people want to come and talk locks or just talk. So today I am picking on a Trekmaster30 and insert crazy laughter there. So yeah, and then there's the key. Just a little quick set, but I know I've picked a few Trekmaster locks and most of them are pretty good locks. They're pretty challenging. So I'm not gonna count this one out. Alright. So let's see what we can do with this one. See, what am I looking at? I'm looking at the fact that my vise didn't tighten up. There we go. Where do we want? Bottom of the keyway. We'll go top of the keyway. I can always switch. Alright. And by the way, this one was sent by Steel Pinnings. Insert card there if possible. Yeah. A lot of unknowns. Along for the ride. Alright. Gotta click off of 5. A couple of clicks off of 2. Click off of 1 and a big false set. Now I got counter on 1. And probably an overset. So we're going to leave 1 alone. Alright, let's go through the stack again. Alright, feels like 3 is giving me some counter. Probably going to cause me to drop something somewhere. No. Wow. That was open a whole lot quicker than I thought it would be. Forgot to put that up earlier. I don't remember if I said anything or not, but yes, the 3D printer is running in the background. Can't help it. Got things I want to print and need to print for people. Alright, let's try this. Yeah, that's normally easier than a clip remover. Good old broken screwdrivers. Sometimes you can't live with them, sometimes you can't live without them. Stick that back where it belongs before I lose it too. Already lost my mind a long time ago, don't need to lose any more. Shouldn't need a shim or anything for this. Yeah, and as I figured. Alright. I don't know what's up with the tail of it, but the tail's kind of odd. See if I can show you. Yeah, number one, it isn't severe overset trap. Alrighty. Got threads in 2, 3, and 4. See if I can focus on this. It's almost like there was a pin in the very back of it, and he decided to glue the hole. Let's see. If you hold it in the right light, I don't know if it'll... Yeah, I can't get it to show. But it's clear epoxy or resin. You can see the hole in the bottom. I don't know what that was about, but yeah. That's there. Yeah, I had a feeling that would happen. I looked at it before I started picking it to see what was up with it, how it stayed in. Just held in by the face. One is a standard, serrated on 2. Spool on 3. Wide serrations on 4 and another standard on 5. And all looks like copper springs up top. Let's see something here. Yeah, he has done some work up top too. Normally I try not to pull springs anymore because they're a bit of a pain sometimes to get back in, but he has threaded all of the top, and it looks like there's a spring caught underneath the cap. Alright. And here's what Trekmaster put in there for us on Evil Laughter. Just in case you guys don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Alrighty. Till next time, folks.